Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's begin. And as you settle into this moment, notice the gentle support of the surface beneath you, the air around you, the quiet hum of the world outside, and you might become aware of your breath, flowing in and out, without effort, without force. This is your time, a space carved out of the day, just for you. And I invite you to bring your awareness now to the very center of your being, to that place within you that is always present, always calm, always knowing. And as you breathe in, imagine that you can draw a gentle, warm light from the base of your spine, rising up through your torso into your chest and settling behind your eyes. This light is the essence of your own inner knowing. It is the source of all your motivation, all your drive, all your power. And perhaps, in this moment, you might acknowledge that there are times when that inner drive feels dim or distant. Times when the energy to move forward seems to have slipped away. And that is perfectly okay. That is part of being human. But today, now, I want you to think back to a time in your life when you felt completely motivated, when your inner drive was a roaring fire, and you moved with purpose, with passion, with unstoppable energy. It could be a time when you achieved something important, or a moment when you felt deeply alive and engaged. Let that memory come into focus now. See the scene around you. Notice the colors, the light, the shapes. Hear the sounds that were present, the voices, the music, the rhythm of your own breathing. And most importantly, feel the feelings, that surge of motivation, that sense of purpose, that absolute certainty that you were moving in the right direction. Now release in your chest, in your belly, in your hands. Let it grow. Let it intensify. And as you feel that state becoming stronger, I want you to gently press your thumb and forefinger together. Just a light touch. And as you do, you are anchoring that entire state of motivation and drive into this simple gesture. Now release the gesture, but keep the feeling alive. Let it settle into your cells. And now we begin to deepen. With each breath, you can feel yourself sinking deeper into a state of profound relaxation and heightened awareness. Your eyelids are heavy, your jaw is soft, your shoulders are releasing, and as you go deeper, your conscious mind can rest while your subconscious mind opens wide. I am a being of pure motivation. My inner drive is a natural, effortless force that flows through me every moment. It is not something I have to create. It is something I already am. And with each breath, I am awakening this truth more and more. My action. 4. There is truth in your body now. A warmth spreading through your chest. A lightness in your limbs. A tingling energy at the base of your spine. This is your motivation rising. This is your drive coming alive. I am fully aligned with my deepest purpose. Every cell of my body knows exactly what to do, and it does it with joy, with ease, with power. Actions are not forced. They are a natural expression of who I am. And as I move, I inspire others, and I inspire myself. And now imagine that you are standing at the edge of a vast open field. The sun is warm on your skin. The air is fresh and alive. And before you, stretching to the horizon. And as you walk this path, you notice that obstacles are not barriers. They are simply opportunities to become stronger, more creative, more determined. Each challenge you face ignites your inner fire even more. You are not diminished by difficulty. You are amplified. Now am resilienceable to stating in and resource mod slight, and each challenge you face even more. Now released mode of fire light, he peel you did by tensa besetched out, and abstacor, it's always to get stated beauty, and I for shape come obstu tree, 7, within me more. And I can access it anytime, anywhere, with a single breath, a single thought, a single gesture. And I bring your thumb and forefinger together again, just as you did before. And as you do, feel that entire state of motivation and drive returning, amplified, deeper, more powerful than before. Feel it in your chest. Feel it in your belly. Feel it in your hands. This is your anchor. This is your key to instant motivation, and you can use it whenever you choose. And come, I release the gesture, but let the feeling remain. And now, I want you to imagine that you are breathing in a golden light. With each inhale, this light enters your lungs, flows into your bloodstream, and spreads to every cell of your body. And as light is pure motivation, it is pure drive, it is pure energy. And as you exhale, in now, see yourself in the future. See yourself 1 month from now, having taken consistent, inspired action. See the smile on your face. Feel the pride in your heart. Notice how your life has shifted because you allowed your inner drive to lead the way. Every thought, every feeling, every action is a brick in the foundation of my greatness. And I build with intention, with passion, with unwavering commitment. And I build with intention, with passion, with unwavering commitment. And I build with intention, with passion, with unwavering commitment. My motivation is a gift I give to myself, and it keeps on giving. And as you continue to walk this path, you feel a deep sense of gratitude for the journey itself, for the ups and the downs, the starts and the stops, because you know that every experience has shaped you, strengthened you, and prepared you for this moment. And in this moment, you are whole. You are powerful. You are motivated. And Eyes Batu, feel the air moving in and out of your body. Feel the gentle rhythm of your heartbeat. And know that you are carrying this transformation with you. Now is not something you have to hold on to. It is something that is now woven into the fabric of your being. Now what you prepare to return to full waking awareness, I want you to set a simple intention. Intend that in the hours and days ahead, you will notice you are a being of motivation. You are a being of drive. You are a being of unstoppable energy. And as you move through the world, you carry this truth with you, radiating it to everyone you meet. And in the days ahead, you'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Perhaps it's a moment of clarity, a surge of inner strength, or simply a deeper peace you hadn't felt before. These words have planted seeds deep in your subconscious, and they will grow effortlessly in their own time. Each time you return to this practice, they grow stronger. Your transformation continues even now, beyond this meditation, woven into the fabric of your being. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this wisdom with you into your day, until we meet again in stillness.